just arrived this 2022 Land Rover Defender 90. Now, there's lots of Defenders on the market. We price them as the best priced cars in the UK. For a 2290 SE, this is the best priced car in the UK. But it's about the spec. This is an SE, so you get full leather, heated seats, Meridian sound system, reverse camera. You get a lot of great spec anyway, but the options on this car: sliding sunroof, massive option. It's got the big 11.4 inch larger screen, which on the earlier 22s, there wasn't a lot of models like this. It's got a detachable Towbar, it's got a sleek clear sight camera, it's got great spec. It's got 19-inch gloss black wheels, side step, spare wheel cover, black roof rails. It's only done 2,298 miles, so it's great miles as well. Black badging on the Defender badge. You've got LED adaptive headlights with it being an SE. All parking assist all the way around, and cameras, top view, side view. You've got the 19-inch wheels, which have been done gloss black, as I mentioned. You've got mud flaps as well. And as we move round the back of the 90, a couple of little things I'll show you. Spare wheel cover, again, colour-coded in black. And if I open the boot, you have, hasn't been even used, brand new detachable Towbar. Expensive. The prices on them detachable Towbars have gone through the roof. On a 90, you've got, boot space isn't too bad, but you do have the options of dropping these seats down as well. So they can just drop down. You've got lots of load space if needed. It's a 2022 as well, so you'll benefit from Land Rover warranty till 2025 and Land Rover Assist. Keyless entry, just press the button. As you can see, the car was open. Press the button again, car opens. And then you've got this beautiful interior with it being an SE. So black all round the door cards there, which runs Santorini black. Meridian sound, look there, 1, 2 and 3. So you've got memory seats. The leather is full leather. A lot of them only have half leather, and Alcantara, it's got the full leather. Let's start the car up. And I'll start here as well. Another option, heated steering wheel, great feature. My wife won't drive a car without a heated steering wheel. I think I've spoiled her, but it's got one. It's a great feature. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, clear sight camera, so you've got the extra camera there, and you've got the full surround top view and 3D camera system which comes with this model. Obviously look at that beautiful 11.4 inch screen as well, which is the better screen. Sliding sunroof, again, massive option. Press the button and you've got that beautiful sliding sunroof. So the car's got fantastic spec. In here again, if I just go into the larger screen, I'll just show you. Obviously, if I go into seats, you've got heated seats, driver and passenger. You've got Apple CarPlay, which is wireless as well, digital climate control, navigation, all the things that you would expect. USB charging points in there. The car's beautiful, as you'd expect, 2,298 miles as well. It's got tow assist as well, so with a camera system, it'll help if you want to use your tow bar. It's got Land Rover tow assist, great feature. Privacy glass on the back. So as a 90 goes, it's fantastically priced. It's a 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, but when they've ordered the car, they've just paid for them lovely extras. The roof, heated steering wheel, tow bar, clear sight camera. They make a huge difference, one, when we're selling it now, but the resale value as well. Thank you for watching. Great another Defender.